So Taylor's taking us nuts. He's never done it before, and he's excited, as you can see. Hookah and sus. It's the greatest combination ever. It tastes nothing like tobacco. You're not supposed to chew it. You probably bust the bag and then you'll swallow tobacco.
Swallowed it.
It's
supposed to
not
do that.
chewing gum, no. Oh shit, someone busted us. That's not cool. I hear a siren.
What's this I hear? Hark!
Oh,
A police
shit.
siren.
You see the police lights? That's so crazy. I think I just shit myself. No, that was Taylor shitting himself. I just smelled it. That's bad.
Let's go to the weather report with Michael. Michael, how's the weather?
Michael, how's the weather, dude? Good. It's all good.
It's all good.
Michael, you
I like
drunk? Absolutely.
Our weatherman is drunk right now. He can tell the weather that it's outside. He doesn't need to go any further. This is our dentist report. No one else has a dentist report. That is a piece of chicken. That is out of his teeth.
I have a tea bag stuck in my gum.
That's not that bad. It is. I think it's completely cash now.
I'll change it.
Yeah, I don't like that shit.
You don't like it?
It's not for me. It's not for
It's
me.
not for me either.
This is bad for kids. And adults, too.
Hey.
I'm gonna throw this on Jake Seals.
Do it. My shield was this.
We're gonna go to Dave Cam.
You mean Fag Cam?
We're done with Dave Cam. We're gonna go to Tyler Cam.
What's up?
In Montana.
That's quite enough of that.
Well,
We're gonna go to...
do what?
Oh, there he goes. I gotta. No, he'll be fine. I'll just.
We got it.
Oh, no wonder it's not hitting anymore. It's not even in the hookah. What? I was like, it's not hookah. It's not.
You gotta have the shit connected to make it work.
I was like, it's not hitting anymore.
Ha
Very specific size, man.
Hey, this is cool. Okay, that's a cool hat.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
He didn't even pay.
I gotta
for it.
pee!
He didn't pay for his hat.
Look at my dick!
It was a present.
Dick! Oh, I just wanted him some guns.
Tell you something. If that gets over here,
It won't be horrible, trust me, because I didn't feel the burn.
that's good to know.
Oh, what the fuck?
Dirty sex on television.
He's picking me up.
I'm a pussy, Dave. Man. How drunk are you, bud?
Oh, puke on the computer.
Absolutely.
Come here.
Please don't close your hands.
Talk to the people,
There
man.
you go, bud. There you go.
Down to
Talk to them all.
to the weather with Michael Meehurg.
Talk about
It's all good and shit. Yeah.
It's